Hi, today in STEM we're going to talk about Newton's third law, which states that every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. We're going to demonstrate that by making soda bottle rockets by stuff that you probably already have at your house. What you're going to need are 3 pencils, an empty soda bottle, baking soda, vinegar, tape, and a cork. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your soda bottle, your pencils, and your tape and make a stand so that your rocket will stand up on its own without any problem. Then after that, we're going to take our vinegar and pour just a little bit, about a third, fourth of the way full, no more than that. And then you're going to take your baking soda and slowly put it into the bottle, cork it, set it upright, and then watch it launch. What happens is the equal opposite reaction is the vinegar, which is an acid, reacts with the baking soda, which is a base that produces carbon dioxide. The gas builds up inside the bottle, which forces the cork out and launches the bottle up. After you've made your stand using the pencils and the tape to your bottle, you're then going to pour some vinegar into your bottle. If you've noticed, I have mine on a wood plank, a small piece of wood. That's because there's not a super level spot and we want to make sure that we're level. So that's all that's for. So if you have a nice level spot, you won't need the piece of wood. Then you're going to pour some baking soda into a napkin. The reason I put it into a napkin is to kind of slow the reaction and so that you can get your cork on there before you have your explosion. After you pour your baking soda in, you're going to cork it, flip it over, and have launch.